Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're actually going to be doing followers choose my makeup. You guys actually chose all of the products I used in today's video over on my Instagram, so go follow me there if you haven't already. Let's just get right into it. Okay, so the first thing I had you guys pick was my brow gel, and you had the choice of the BPerfect Incredibrow Soap Brows or the Pink Honey Brow Gel, and you guys chose Pink Honey. So I'm going to go ahead and put that all over my brows. Onto primer. You guys had the choice of Benefit Professional and Embryolisse Lait Creme Concentrate, which is my holy grail, and you guys chose Benefit. Okay, so next up for eyeshadow, I had you guys pick between Made by Mitchell Head in the Clouds and the BPerfect Carnival Love Tahiti. I love this palette. So here's one finished eye. I'm just going to do the other one off camera and I'll be right back. And that is the eyeshadow look all complete. So for eyeliner, you guys had the choice of the NYX Epic Ink Liner and the Lash Gang 2-in-1 liner, and you guys chose NYX. Next, onto mascara. You guys had the choice of the Benefit They're Real Magnet Mascara or the Essence Cosmetics Lash Princess, and you guys went with the Benefit one. And to finish off the eye look, you guys had the choice of Unicorn Cosmetics lashes and the Lash Gang lashes, and you went with Unicorn Cosmetics. Okay, so for foundation, you had the choice of Collection Lasting Perfection Foundation or the Illamasqua Skin Based Foundation, and you guys chose Illamasqua. This is my favourite foundation at the minute. For concealer, I gave you guys the choice of the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer or the Benefit Boying Cakeless Concealer, and you guys went again with Benefit. So for my cream contour, I gave you guys the choice of the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer again, or the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Foundation Stick, and you guys went with Makeup Revolution. For cream blush, you guys had the choice of Peaches Makeup or Made by Mitchell blush, and you went for the blush. For bronzer, you guys had the choice of MAC Mineralized Skin Finish or Hoola Caramel, and you went for Hoola. For blush, you guys had the choice of Lottie London or Doll Beauty, and you guys went for Doll Beauty, and this is in the shade Costa del Doll. And for pressed powder, you guys had the choice of Maybelline Fit Me and Natural Collections pressed powder, and you guys went for the Maybelline Fit Me. For baking powder, you guys had the choice of Laura Mercier or Illamasqua translucent powder, and you guys went for Trusted Tried and True Laura Mercier. For highlighter, you guys had the choice of MAC Mineralized Skin Finish again or Doll Beauty, and you guys went for Doll Beauty. So I am using the Doll Light Duo. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there. We're almost done. For lips, you guys had a couple of choices to make. For my lip liner, you guys chose Morphe, and your choices were Morphe or Peaches, so that's my favourite. Thanks, guys. For lips, you had the choice of P. Louise Crisp Finish Paint in Tangy Tease or the NYX Cosmetics Soft Matte Lip Cream in Cairo, and you guys went for NYX. I didn't expect this actually. I thought you'd go for P. Louise. And finally for gloss, you guys chose between Cash Beauty and Peaches Makeup, and you guys went for Cash Beauty Starlight Gloss, which is one of my favourites of all time. I'm so glad you picked this one. And here is the finished look. You guys did such a great job with the products I gave you to choose from. I'm so happy actually with your choices. I think there was only one or two that I wouldn't have reached for, but I'm really glad I did because I just forgot how much I love those products. And here's a close-up of the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved the video. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss a post from me. Go follow me over on Instagram, and I hope to see you next time.